What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you a really easy way to connect your custom domain to a Wix site. There are just three really simple steps you need to follow. So without wasting much of our time, let's start the video. So as you can see on the screen, I am on the Wix homepage. The first thing you need to do is click sign in and sign into your account. So as you can see now we are on Wix backend, that is my account page, and here is the site which I have created. This is a test site and you can find all your site from this option. So the first thing we need to do is go to connect a domain option, which is just below your my site, or you can go from your account name and click on domains and you will be again taken to the connect a domain option. Now, guys, I want to make this very clear that you need to have a premium plan signed up for Wix in order to register your custom domain. You cannot register for free, so please keep this in mind. You must have a premium plan registered for Wix in order to connect your custom domain. So going back to the video, just click on connect a domain you already own, or you can click on buy a new domain. But since this video is only about connecting a custom domain, we'll select connect a domain you already own. I have registered a test domain in order to show you how to connect a custom domain to a Wix site, and the test domain is domain connection.xyz. So just type the domain which you have registered. So guys, now you can see they have opened a page for me where I can start the domain connection wizard. Just click on start. They will ask you to log into your domain provider. Now I have registered my domain under HostGator, and you can register under GoDaddy or any other domain provider. All you need to do is just, uh, as you can see on the screen, you can find out under GoDaddy. You can click on My Products, or you can click on My Domains and click on All Domains, and here a list will open where you can manage the DNS settings or domain settings for all your domains. I don't have any registered domain under GoDaddy as of now, so I'm just going to log into the domain registrar which I'm using right now. So guys, as you can see now, I'm logged into my domain provider account, that is Hostinger, and I have registered a test domain, that is domain.connection.xyz. Now going back to Wix site where we connected the domain, all you need to do is just click on I logged in. Now they are asking us to go to control panel or settings panel for managing the domain. Now just click on I found my domain settings, and now they are asking you to find your name servers. So now going back to Hostinger or any of your domain provider account, just click on manage domain or manage DNS, and from here if you scroll down you will find an option something like name servers. You can directly click here to change, or you can click here DNS or name servers. If you are using any other domain name provider, you can find out DNS settings somewhere just next to the domain name. Try to mess around the website and see if there is an option for DNS settings. You will find it easily. Now again, going back to wix.com, just click on I found the name servers. Now once you found the name servers, all you need to do is replace the default name servers by Wix name servers. Now going back to my DNS provider account, that is HostGator, I'll just click on change name servers and just click on copy and paste to these name servers, and the second name server, click copy and click paste again, click save. So the name servers are changed now. All you need to do is just click on I have replaced my name servers, and it will try to verify your connection, and once the verification is completed you will be notified on your email. The verification usually takes around 24 hours, so there is no way to check it within 5 to 10 minutes, but it can happen even earlier than that, so you need to wait for a couple of hours or even a couple of minutes before your domain gets connected to the Wix site. So I hope guys this video was helpful to you. If yes, do give a thumbs up, and if you have any specific questions, feel free to add in comments. And bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.